If you are under the age of 18 and watching this video, please stop now. This video content is not intended for you. Hi everyone, it's Veronica, and I am here to share with you some projects that I created for a swap with Jan, who is Jan Skalla. Jan is not on YouTube, but many of you know who she is. She creates very whimsical projects with SVG files. Love, love, love all her critters. She is super creative. You have seen many things that I've shown you that Jan has sent me, and I absolutely love them. So when she asked to do a swap, I said yes. Now, the twist with our swap, it is a Valentine's swap, but we could not use pink or red. No pink, no red. So my color combination was aqua, black, and silver. And I had a ball creating all of these things. It stretched me, which was good. That's what it's all about. And I just had fun. So I want to share with you, first of all of the products that I used. And it is a plethora of things, so I'm going to go pretty quickly. If you have any questions about any of the products that I use, please don't hesitate to put your question in the comment section. Okay, first of all, I used the Labels 1 die from Spellbinders, and it was the 4th one, this size right here. Okay. All right. The Martha Stewart Doily Lace Punch. I had trims and laces from my stash. Here's the other lace that I use. These flowers here. And this glitter eyelash trim from Martha Stewart. I also use this bling trim. And this ribbon, which is Paper Tray Ink Aqua Mist. And those are my colors for my projects, the Aqua Mist black and silver. I also use the Prima Flirty Fleur paper and also some papers from DCWV. I use my Wink of Stella, and that's the clear one, and the Diamond Stickles. These Spellbinders heart dies, the scalloped hearts, and then the classic. I use this topper, bag topper die. This came from the Target Dollar Spot. I also use Want to Scrap Bling, and this is Dollar Tree. Cat Scrappiness Stitched Heart die, and I use the biggest one. And this is My Favorite Things, the Sentiment Smooches Stamps. I use You're the Bomb and Happy Valentine's Day, the Heart and Arrow, the Sentiment Rip Strip, and the Lip Balm Window and Frame. My Creative Time. This is the gift card pocket, the medium heart bow die, the fun size heart bow die, and I love these because you don't have that much dimension with them, so they're perfect when you have to mail things. And the small one, and this is the heart mug die, the Derice scalloped hearts. I use this tag out of this set, but only because I wanted what punched out. And then this Divinity Designs test tube treat holder from Cottage Cuts, Happy Valentine's Day, and this bow. And here is all AliExpress. I know that's a Lena Cuddle. The other ones, I really couldn't tell you who they are. I use this one. This treat holder. the word love, and this topper die. All right. Now what we had to create was a treat holder, a 2x2 box, a tag, and a memory dex card. Jan absolutely loves creating memory dex cards, so I knew that was going to be one of the items that we had to do. All right, so first I'm going to start with my 2x2 box, and here it is. I used a tutorial from Poodle's Papercraft, and any tutorial that I use, I will have the link in the description box. But I thought that turned out so cute. It's simple, but kind of fancy. And I put Lindor's chocolate in there. No pink or red with the actual crafting, but treats, you can't get around it, Valentine's. Okay, so that's that one. And this is a tutorial by Rosa's Creative Way. This is my tag, and that's that Alina Cuddle die. And I used all the sequins I had pretty much were from Cartwright. Here's that lace trim that had the silver down the middle, but I added the flowers. That's the back side. And to adhere my back to the front, and I did put 110-pound cardstock in between to give it a little weight. And I forgot to tell you, I did use tulle. I didn't remember saying that. There it is. I used that sticky specs paper that I had picked up from the Heirloom Craft Show. Amazing. Absolutely amazing to adhere the back to the front. It was great. Absolutely great. But that's my tag, and that's the glitter eyelash trim. Here's my memory dex card. And here are those little hearts that I needed that popped out. Oh, I used some black lace too. Forgot to pull that out. Or let it stay out because stuff is everywhere at this point. But that's my memory dex card. And the treat holder. This is a tutorial by May Made It. And I did a mailbox. How cute is this? Now this is that paper from DCWV. I had just enough left to do this part. But this is the back side. And this is the front. I do have a brad here for the flag to move. And I asked Jan about the treats that she liked, and she says she's addicted to anything with cinnamon. And here you go. The cinnamon flavored gum. I added some shred down in the bottom as well. So that is my treat holder. So those are the items that we created for the swap. That's the back side of my flag. I wanted it to look finished and added that bling trim. Okay, now I did do some extra things for her. And we'll just start, well, again, cinnamon treats. Here you go, Jan. I've never had these myself, so I don't know. This came from Hobby Lobby. So I just wrapped some paper around that. This is the cat scrappiness die with the lip balm. Added a chapstick in here. Oops, sorry. Ooh, my. I added the sentiment, "You're the bomb, happy Valentine's Day." And you can see the strip in the back. Seems like I'm kind of discombobulated today. All right, and then here is the Divinity Designs test tube. So what I added in here was a shaker mix. Pretty much what I used in my tag. This is paper tray ink paper also. And here's the back side. Hopefully this is not blinding you with this silver. This is the My Creative Time heart mug die. And I made it as a gift card holder. So that's where I used the gift card holder die. And I put a Starbucks card on here. What I did was looked up all the drinks that had cinnamon in them, and here's a list of them right here. And they have a cinnamon raisin bagel. So there you go. All right, and I also had created some of these for my craft fair. And I did one out of the Flirty Fleur paper as well. This tutorial is by Paulette Fullard. And this, she was talking about putting receipts and things of that nature in this pocket. That's a Dollar Tree notepad that's magnetized. And this is one of the sentiments from the paper. Running out of space. I also created some of the bows with the My Creative Time bows. I popped this one up in the middle a little bit higher than the other two. Okay, and then I also used that AliExpress treat holder die. So you have to have chocolate at Valentine's. You have the Lindors and you have the Ghirardelli. I think these turned out so super cute. That's the DCWV paper. And I also included this little bag. Came from the Target Dollar Spot. Perfect colors. And I just added a tag. This one I had in my stash. Someone sent that to me. And the other is the Spellbinders die. Don't forget to pamper yourself. And in here I have bath bomb. I have 2 of those, and also the green tea scented scrub, aloe mint. All right. And one other thing that I created, which I absolutely love doing, is this tea box. When I participated in the Heartfelt Collab, I came across this box. It's a tea dispenser. And that's where I use that doily lace punch. The lid does come off for you to fill it. And it has the chai ultra spice tea. And it has cinnamon in it. I love this box. Love it. Okay, and then one other thing. Woohoo! That's these cinnamon jelly hearts. Big package. You really can't see it because I have it all wrapped up. But here you go. And I use that sticky paper that I had gotten, that I talked about from the Heirloom Stamp Show. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, so that is my swap for Jan. Thank you all so much for stopping by and watching. And I know, Jan, you're watching this video, so I hope that you like everything that I created for you. And I also hope that you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Happy crafting to all of you. And if I'm not back before Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day to all of you as well. Happy crafting.